Okay, guys, so this is summer live stream number 2, and right now I have this on my neck because my neck hurts. I guess it's just from sleeping or whatever. Gotta turn on the light, gotta get my stuff set up, and right now there's nobody watching this, and there might not be anybody watching this at all, but that's okay because replays. And you might notice that this is Sunday and we're doing this right now, and that is because we cannot do it on Mondays. Well, can't do it this Monday or next Monday because I actually have a volunteer job. I'm being a camp counselor at my church's summer camp. So that's why we can't do it on Mondays because that's when we have to do summer camp. Ethan's doing the summer camp with me too, so that's why we both can't do Mondays. That's why we're here on Sundays. So if you're watching this on a replay, please, please, please tune in next Sunday from 1 to 3 New York time. Right now it's 1:40 something, I think. And that's what we're doing it right now. And yeah, so please tune in next time if you can. If there's a better time that you guys want me to change it to, if a bunch of people agree with it, then I'll probably change it. But for now, this vlog or live stream is about this cube color matter. And what I have right here, let me just are 4 different cubes with 4 different color schemes, or maybe the color underneath the stickers, or just like color in general. And we're going to talk about how color really affects yourselves. So let me actually adjust this. So looking at these, obviously best to worst, it would be probably like this. Again, is obviously the best. Carbon fiber is probably second best. The U-long is probably third best, and the Spooky Speed Cube is probably the 4th best out of these. They're all decent cubes. This is obviously very good. This is also very good. These are both decent. So, does the color have anything to do with how this one's better than, let's say, this one? I would probably say color does have something to do with it. Now, if you have a color scheme like this, where this is the carbon fiber one, and it's sort of like a phantom cube because it's black in the middle, and the actual pieces are colored like a stickerless cube, and that is sort of like a phantom cube, and that's basically what this is. It does affect me sort of, but back when I used to only have 4 or 5 cubes in my cube collection, this was my best 3x3, so I always used it, and I just got used to solving on this. Oh, probably messed up. I mean, it's a good cube, so once you get used to the color, I really feel like it doesn't really affect it at all. This, of course, is, again, this is my best cube now. Well, maybe second best compared to my Weilong GTS B2M. But, oh, got it? I'm going to take this thing off. This thing's okay. It's starting to hurt my neck instead of help it. Next feel better, guys, in case you were wondering. Anyways, this is, of course, the best out of the batch. It is also a cube with like a regular original color sort of thing. It's black on the bottom. The stickers, red easily recognizable, green, blue, orange, yellow, and white. They're all easily recognizable. And this is what I use now. So the color, I would say, since I'm used to it, this would be the best coloring for me. We also have this transparent cube, and this was my first 3x3. And back then, also, when I was transitioning between this cube and this cube, I think I might have been able to get better times on this cube, regardless of the fact that this cube's better, because I was used to it. I was used to the color, I was also used to the speed and whatever. But really, it's just what you're used to. Also, with this cube, the color scheme's completely, it's different because it's Spooky Speed Cube. I did the stickers myself. I didn't do a very good job because I didn't know how to put stickers on, so I just put them on, regularly, and I didn't do a good job like that anyways. So, yeah. But I also purposely put the yellow and white opposite of each other to make it easier for me. So I guess that sort of helped. Really, it's down to what you're used to, is what I would say. But I'm going to actually turn the camera around, guys. I'm close to the camera. This is professional tripod right here. It's just me. Okay. I would say whatever you're used to is the best color scheme for you, or best coloring, like stickerless, transparent, or regular black, or some messed up color scheme, or a phantom cube. Whatever you're used to, I would say is the best for you. But here's the big but. That's not necessarily true, because somebody's watching. That's good. Let's see who's watching. If you wanna chat, who's watching right now? I could check right now, but that's okay. Whoever's watching, hey. Okay, so back to color scheme and whatever. I would say whatever you're used to is the best color scheme for you. But Crazy Bad Cuber, a while ago, long time ago, I would say. I don't know really when. He did this experiment where he had a bunch of different colored cubes, and he is used to black cubes, I think he was in that video. But for some reason, the pink cube that he had kept getting the best times out of all of them. Even though they were all tensioned the same, they were all the same cube, they were all looped the same, they all were set up the same. Somehow the pink cube, he still did better on that one. So really, I would say go with what you're used to, but you might have outliers with different colors. But it's not really going to affect your time that much unless you're like averaging 5 seconds and you're trying to beat a world record. Then it doesn't really matter. So that was what I would say for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this live stream, and person who was watching it live just left. Okay, bye. And please tune in next week, Sunday 1 to 3 New York time, and we'll go over another cubing topic that I'm going to talk about. Before we leave, please subscribe, and I hopefully will see you in the next video or live stream that we do.